next speaker is Ivanna. Ivanna, are you ready?
Hi guys, yeah, sure. Let's go.
Oh, ready, steady, go.
Hello everyone, my name is Ivanna Gladysh and today we'll talk about EDA and Pardot for higher education. And the case study will be based on Anglo-American University in Prague. Anglo-American University was established in 1990s and it was the first privately held university in Czech Republic. And in October, before the COVID hit it in 2019, I got reached out from them to help them to implement a new instance and improve their marketing automation. So the decision went to purchase the EDA, Educational Cloud, and to purchase the Pardot. A little bit about myself. So I'm a Salesforce marketing champion. I'm with Salesforce for more than 6 years. And currently I'm creating a new project in Czech Republic. And so stay tuned. You can see my social accounts. Feel free to follow and for my updates and the news. Okay, so what actually EDA is? It's a Salesforce org education cloud for higher education. It's a CRM-based set of solutions that enable institutions to drive students' success across the life cycle from prospect to alum. Its architecture is very different from the original Salesforce. It has its own custom objects. And as you see here is the entity relation diagram. And you can see how it's connected with the standard Salesforce objects and the objects inside the EDA. It's important to know that in EDA, there are no personal accounts by default. So in case you want one, you need to request it additionally. As well, the opportunities itself is not present there. You need to understand EDA before you actually want to purchase it. And first, it's your design decision. So basically what you plan on each of the stages of implementation, what kind of data model you want to use and how it's actually matched with the object inside EDA. You also need to think about the custom objects that you want to use, and there is reasons when not to use it. First is the process-driven scenario. So if you know that in your processes there is a lot of custom objects and EDA doesn't match, then you should skip it. In terms of data-driven scenario, if you go through data model and you see that you simply cannot use it, it's better to go for a standard Salesforce org. In terms of the common implementation scenario, there are 4, and the one that Anglo-American University had was existing org without EDA. They just had a simple Salesforce org. So the main focus was to go through the data model and data objects that they had and to match them to EDA. In any case, your main exercise will be to go through your architecture and match it with EDA. In terms of the marketing automation, you know we have 2 solutions, Marketing Cloud and Pardot. My suggestion will be to go with the Pardot because it's integrated in Salesforce Lightning. It's very easy to pick up for your team and you can do everything. You can drive all the admissions and all the processes there directly. And if you will purchase the advanced package of Pardot, you will get a B2B marketing analytics, which is embedded there. And it's super cool if you want to see the segmentation and how your audience is behaving and have a very precise overview on your students and potential prospects there. Of course, if you are in NGO, you will have an access to Power of Us Hub. It's a specific platform for everyone who is in the nonprofit sector. So once you get the access to the org, I will suggest you to register there. There are plenty of resources. And in education, I suggest you to register for Educational Summit that will happen June 16. Here you can see the link and thank you. Yoo-hoo!
That was quick. But cool to see all those edge cases because you don't see EDA too often in real life, I would say. There are just, well, maybe not a few, but it's not as widely spread as the Sales Cloud or Service Cloud. Pretty cool. Ivanna, what's the number?
17.
17.
Yeah.
Cool.